So what is up guys, welcome back to Discover More 1995. Today we are going to discuss the book The Postal Spectrum, paper 1 and both paper 2. So first thing we will discuss about Ippb, India Post Payment Bank. So without any delay we will start the course. First thing guys, if you want to see the Hindi version of this, that is also available in our application. Download the application Discover More 1995. Download the app Discover More 1995 from the Android to Play Store. It is only available for the Android application. So you have to type Discover More 1995 without any space and it will be in your smartphone. Okay, let's see. The first thing we'll discuss about the Ippb. So first thing the question will arise, what is the full form of Ippb? Its full form is India Post Payment Bank. Its full form is India Post Payments Bank. Many of these employees already working in Ippb has also said it's Indian Post Payment Bank. Someone say India Postal Payments Bank. So many versions are there, but what is the right answer of this? What is the full form of Ippb? It's India Post Payment Bank. It's not Indian Postal Payment Bank. It is not Indian Post Payment Bank. It's India Post Payment Bank. So you have to read it correctly. What is the full form of Ippb? That is India Post Payment Bank. India Post Payment Bank. So how we will going to study this? First thing we will discuss about this. We'll first read out this total paragraph, then I will explain to you later. Okay. First thing, what is the vision of Ippb? It aims to provide every citizen an opportunity to prosper, promoting financial inclusion. What is that? What? Financial inclusion and empowerment. Means every single Indian should be included in the financial conditions. They are empowered with the banking services. They are included in the financial development. This is the vision of Ippb, that is India Post Payments Bank. What is the offering? It's a simple, diverse and growth oriented banking services for household across India. It's simple. It's very simple. You can easily access an Ippb account. You can easily access the banking services across all over India. This is the offering. Ownership, this is very important. It's 100% equity owned by the Government of India, operating under Department of Post, Ministry of Communication. So three questions will be asked or can be asked from this simple one line sentence. What percent of equity owned by the Government of India? That is 100%. 100% equity owned by the Government of India of Ippb. And Ippb is operating under which department? Ippb is operating under Department of Post. Okay. And under which ministry? Ministry is the Ministry of Communication. So three things. Ippb. What is the full form of Ippb? It is India Post Payment Bank. It is 100% equity owned by the government. It is operating under DOP, that is Department of Post, and its ministry is MOC, Ministry of Communication. So three questions can be asked. This is very important. Next thing is objective. What is the objective? It's intended to establish a nationwide presence by FY. FY means financial year 2018-19. It is already achieved now. Okay. Network expansions operates through a combination of post offices and 649 banking outlets managed by business correspondent BCs. Okay. GDSs are also, the Gramin Dak Sevaks are also working as a business correspondent for the IPB. Okay, what is the model? It's work on hub and spoke model for different service value. That means one hub is there, different spokes are there, like they will different spokes are there. So let's understand this. Let's say A, B, C, D, these are the spokes, and here is the hub. So every spokes will communicate with the hub, and they will transact very easily. This is the hub and spoke model. You can easily, if you have more curiosity about the hub and spoke model, you can also do some research about the hub and spoke. What is the hub and spoke model? It is not very necessary, but for the sake of knowledge, I just clearly shown here. Okay, what are the accessibility? You can easily read this out. This is not very necessary. This is leverage a vast network. 1.55 lakh post offices are there, and 3 lakh postal employees nationwide. They serve as an IPB employees. Okay, and approachability, last mile service delivery through local postmen who serve as a friendly financial guide to the community. That means here postmen and GDSs are very valuable for IPB because they serve as the last mile friendly financial guides to the community. They help the rural peoples to serve as a financial guide. They also help the rural peoples for their easily transactions, for financial transaction, for banking services. They help you. And ease of banking, that is very easy process to open an account, very easy process to transact, a very easy process to do the banking services, to get the banking services. These are not very important, just for the sake of it is said, we have to just read it very frequently. Like digital ecosystem, one is the macro level. It offers a 360-degree payment suite that promotes transparency and reduces corruption and leakages, contributing a less cash economy. Why it is said 360-degree payment suite and it reduces corruption and leakages? Because whenever any DBT scheme is there, DBT scheme means direct to benefit transfer scheme is there, like the LPG Yojana or any other state government DBT schemes are there. So that compensation or that money directly goes to the account of the beneficiary, and he or she can easily get that value without the interference of the middleman. Okay, that's why it very convenient to use IPB services. And individual levels enables cashless transactions through digital channels, allowing small business to accept digital payments. You already know about the digital payments very well. Phone Pays, Paytms are there for digital payments. That's why it's very easy to enable cashless transactions. QR codes, QR scanners are also provided to the merchants. They can easily accept money through cashless mode. These are also some benefits by using the IPB services. Aspirations are not necessary, but you can read this out, and you can also get the book. You can also get the book from the Amazon, as well as you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. You will get the book also. This is my WhatsApp number. Okay, IPB's motto is important. The question can be arised from what is the motto of IPPB, India Post Payments Bank. Every customer is important, every transaction is significant, and every deposit is valuable no matter what the value. It means every customer is important. Each and every customer, every person who uses the banking services of Ippb is very important. Every transaction is significant, whether it is money transfer, whether it is money cash deposit or cash withdrawal. Every transaction, every services is significant. Every deposit is valuable, no matter what the value. Even 1 rupee deposit is also important, no matter what the value. The value can be small, the value can be minimal, the value can be very large, no matter, but every deposit is valuable for Ippb. What are the Ippb's vision? To build the most accessible, just look at this word, accessible, affordable and trusted bank for the common man. Like, also other banks are also available, but it is not easily accessible to the customer. It is not affordable. Many charges are there also for the other bank. Many other charges are also implied on the customers, but it is likely more affordable for the Ippb is more affordable for the customers. It is one of the trusted bank for the common man, or you can say rural persons. Okay. And what are the mission? To spearhead financial inclusion by removing barriers and reducing costs associated with accessing banking service. Like I already said, to open a bank account you need a minimum amount to deposit, you need a minimum amount to maintain your balance, otherwise the cost will be implied on the customers. Like, it is not like that. It is very much affordable to the common man or the rural people. Definitely some charges are there, but it is very less or it is very minimal as compared to other banks. Okay, we will next see. So here are some informations given about the Ippb. What are the current operational state? It is likely to change often, so just read this out, not to remember. And it is the organization structure. This is also not very important. Okay, and this is important. What are the board of directors? Chairman of Ippb Srimati Bandita Kaul, and MD and CEO of Ippb is Sri R Vishweswaran. Plus, but please remember that while giving examination, while before preparing examination or before appearing into the examination, please get the chairman of Ippb latest and MD and CEO latest on your acknowledge that and write according to your in your examination. So please read that. Okay, next we will see products. Now the actual portion is there, and questions must arise from this topic, so we have to understand this topic very clearly. What are the products? What are the products Ippb offers to the customers? One is a saving account, one is a current account. The question arises, how many types of savings accounts are there? So the answer will be 4. Basically 4 saving accounts are there. One is a premium saving account, one is a regular saving account, one is a digital saving account, one is a basic saving account. So you can easily PRDB. These are the some acronyms you can easily remember. PRDB. How many types of saving accounts are there? There are 4 types of saving accounts are there. That is PRDB: premium, regular, digital, basic. PRDB. And another account is current account. So how many how many products are there? One is a saving account, one is current account. How many saving account there? There are 4 saving account. What are they? PRDB: premium, regular, digital, basic. So their features are also different. We will study one by one. The first thing we will study, that is a premium saving account. Premium saving account. Your name is also saying premium. That means you have to put some cost to that. You have to deposit a minimum value, and in exchange of that you will get some good service also on this. Like, let's say, overview. Premium Khata is a variant of Ippb saving bank account for customers subscribing to premium account services and value added services. Premium Khata is a variant of Ippb saving account. There are four types of saving accounts are there. One is premium saving account. It is you have to pay some minimal deposit to the account. In exchange of that, you will get some premium services also. So how much, let's say how much you have to pay and open this account. For new customer, you have to pay 149, that is exclusive of GST. If we add 18% of GST to this, we will get 175.82. If you are working as a BPM or in charge BPM or working as a GDS, you already know that value, that charges is 175.82, but how? That is 149 plus 18% GST. That's why it is 175.82. But in your examinations, questions are there, but options are like, options will show like 99, 129, 149, 179. So please remember, right answer will be 149. Why? Because it is exclusive of GST. GST is not included to this 149. If GST is included, 18% GST is included, then it will become 175.82. And for existing customers also, that value is same, that is 149 without GST, and with GST is 175.82. And what are the annual renewal subscription fees? That is 99, that is without GST, but with GST is 116 rupees. 99 plus 18% GST. 99 plus 18% GST. So for new customer it is 175.82, 175.82, and for renewal charges it is 116.82. How? 99 plus 18% GST, or you can simply find out what is the 118% of 99, that is 116.82. So remember this 4 value. So remember these 4 value. What are the opening charges? 149. What are the opening charges for new customer and existing customer? That is 149 without GST and 175.82 with GST. And what are the renewal charges? That is 99 without GST and 116.82 with GST, that is 18% GST. What are the features available with this? What are the key features and benefits of this? One is free doorstep banking. You can easily access banking services at your doorstep. Free cash deposit and withdrawal, that is no charges for cash transaction. Linking, that you can be link this with the POSA. POSA, what is the full form of POSA? Post Office Saving Account. This premium saving account of Ippb can be linked with the Post Office Saving Account. What are there are also cashback offers. What are the cashback offers? If you do any transaction with VDC, VDC means virtual debit card. Remember this, it's virtual. Virtual means that you cannot touch, but you can see it. That debit card is available on the screen, but you cannot use it to withdraw money from the ATMs. That's why it's virtual. That's why it's called virtual debit card. If you do any transaction with VDC, then cashback will be given to you. And also if you do electricity bill payment, cashback will be there. Okay, I hope you will understand this. What are the rates? What are the interest rates? Remember one thing, the maximum day end balance in Ippb saving account is 2 lakh, if the day end balance is more than 2 lakh, it will go to the post office saving account if it is linked. If it is not linked, then the transaction will be declined. If it is linked to the post office saving account, it will be transferred to the post office saving account. The maximum day end balance in Ippb account is 2 lakh. And what are the interest rate? If it is up to 1 lakh, the rate of interest will be 2%. And if it is 1 lakh, if it is 1 lakh, 1 lakh to 2 lakh, 1 lakh to 2 lakh, then the rate of interest will be 2.25%. Remember that. Okay, the maximum amount that can be hold in Ippb account is 2 lakh, and up to 1 lakh the rate of interest is 2%, and 1 lakh to 2 lakh, above 1 lakh and up to 2 lakh, that is 2.25%. This is very important. Rate of interest can be asked. There are two types of rate of interest. One is up to INR 1 lakh, that is 2% per annum, and above 1 lakh and up to 2 lakh, that is 2.25% per annum. And the frequency of payment is quarterly. Every 3 months the payment will be, but interest shall be paid in the subsequent month of the quarter. That means, for example, for January to March, this is 1 quarter, and the interest will be paid on April. Okay, I hope you understand this. Let's say next we'll see regular saving account. These all 4 accounts, like PRDB, premium account, regular account, digital account, and basic account, these are somehow the features are all same, like some differences are there, but these somehow are similar in nature. So we'll quickly finish this all saving accounts. Regular saving account, one difference is there, that zero account balance. While opening the premium saving account, it will require 175.82 rupees, that is 149 plus GST 18%, that is 175.82 rupees is required for opening the premium saving account. But while opening regular saving account, that account can be opened with zero deposit or no initial deposit. This is the only difference. This is the only difference. And all other I will tell you very quickly. Like important is Rupee virtual debit card for online transaction. The question will arise, what type of debit card is used in regular saving account? That is Rupee debit card. The question will be Rupee debit card will be used. If you didn't see yet the debit card, please go through your mobile banking application Ippb and check your debit card. It will say Rupee. Okay, and likely no monthly average balance is required. No requirement to maintain a monthly average balance. You can get a free monthly statement, mini statement via SMS, simplified banking. IMPS also used for quick transaction. Regarding IMPS, RTGS, we will see in our next slides. Okay, IMPS, immediate money payment systems. What are the unique advantages? Free doorstep account opening. GDSs or any postmans can go through your doorstep to open any account. They will help you in assisted service. Fund also available at your doorstep. Bill payments can be done, and features like QR card also presents. Multilingual customer support is there. If you have any problem regarding the service of the Ippb, you can easily call to the customer care. Like no minimal balance report, nominal charges are there, like SMS charges are there. I think 10 pesos per SMS charges is costing right now. these charges are also changes according to the time, according to time also they are changes. It also day end balance is 2 lakh and above 2 lakh balance will be transferred to the linked post office saving account. Merchant network is also present, unlimited cash and withdrawal, no restriction on cash and transaction. It is also similar in premium saving account. In premium saving account, that is also unlimited cash deposits and withdrawals available. And what are the interest rate? It is same as the premium saving account. Maximum day end balance 2 lakh and above 2 lakh will be transferred to the linked post office saving account. And if it is 2 lakh present in your account, up to 1 lakh, that will be 2% per annum, and above 1 lakh and up to 2 lakh, that will be 2.25% service rate of interest will be applicable. And payment is also similar, quarterly payment, but interest will be paid in the next month of each quarter. It is also similar. Okay, next, digital saving account. It is slightly different, so we have to read it line by line. Digital saving account, first thing, it is changed now. It says Digi Smart account. It is Digi Smart account. Name is only changed in this, but the features are same. Like, and one important notice, the question may arise from this. Opening of a new digital saving account has been suspended as of May 18, 2023. So let's say we will read about this letter. First, we will read about this letter. First thing, what is digital saving account? What is digital saving account? Digital saving account means that account which can be opened digitally through your own phone, right? Digital, who is capable of a digital transaction. We have those who someone have knowledge about the digital processes, like the youngsters, the young people, the tech savvy people. They are very comfortable with the technology, so they can open digital saving account or Digi Smart savings account. Like, it can be opened through your Google, either your Android Play Store, your Apple apps, your iPhone app stores. Anyone over 18 years of age can open with an Aadhaar card or PAN card. So there is no purpose of going to the nearest branch. They can easily open the account at their own convenience, at their own house, at their own destination, with the help of their own phone. So there is no need to visit any branch to open Digi Smart account. Okay, but there are some constraints are there. There are some features, limited features are there. Like what? Limited features are there. There will be maximum cumulative deposit up to 1,20,000 rupees. So maximum yearly cumulative deposit is 1,20,000 rupees. So the maximum yearly, in 1 year, their maximum deposit can be 1,20,000 rupees. Beyond that, they cannot transact. If they want to transact beyond that value, they have to complete their KYC process. If their KYC process within 12 months of account opening. How can they complete their KYC process? By visiting nearest Ippb banking outlet or branch for the KYC process. If they didn't complete the KYC process within 12 months or 1 year, they have the limited features. To use the full features of Digi Smart saving account, they have to visit the nearest branch or nearest any Ippb outlet to complete the KYC formalities within 1 year, and after that they will use the full-fledged services of Ippb. Okay, these are some transaction limit. Okay, you have to remember that. And one thing, last thing, that question may arise is important notice: when the service of digital saving account is closed, the answer will be 18/5/2023. Like, you can easily remember 18/5/23. This is the date. From that date, digital saving account, opening of a digital saving account has been suspended till further. Okay, this question may arise. And remember, the individual must be above 18 years of age to use the DigiSmart account. But now the service has been closed from 18/5/23. Okay, and basic saving account. Next is one last thing, that is basic saving account. It is also similar to the regular saving account, but it has only one difference, that it allows only 4 free customer induced debit transaction per month. In regular saving account there will be unlimited cash deposit and withdrawals are there, but in basic saving account there is only 4 free customer induced debit transaction is available. Rate of interest is same as others, up to 1 lakh, that is 2% per annum, and above 1 lakh to 2 lakh, that is 2.25% annum. Frequency of a payout is quarterly, and after that after the quarterly, the next month that interest will be paid out to the customer. It has some key features same as that others, like it instant account opening, paperless account opening. You can use your Aadhaar and fingerprints to open the account. Non KYC option is the VDC, the virtual debit card is used, that is rupee. No monthly average balance is requirement. It can be opened with a 0 balance account. Only in premium account 175.82 rupees is required. In other saving account there will be nil balance required, or the 0 balance required for opening of account. There is a free monthly statement. You can get mini statement via SMS, that SMS banking will read in the further slides. Simplified banking, UPI transaction, unified payment interface. Okay, there are some UPI payments also we will discuss in the next. And what type of UPI is there? That is a Bhim UPI. Two things important: what type of virtual debit card is used, that is rupee debit card. What type of UPI is, that is a Bhim UPI is used. What are the unique advantages? Free doorstep account opening, like similar to the others. Okay, that's fine. All the features are same as the others. Okay, so please read the book The Postal Spectrum, available in our websites, in our application, also available in the Amazon platform. Okay, so we'll read about what is the salary account. Okay, this is the last thing we'll discuss, that is salary account. In next class we will discuss about the current account. Salary account means, you simply understand salary. In that account, that salary is credited in your account is called salary account. It has some features are there. What are the features? It is easily available, it is easily accessible. Account opening is also easy without any paperwork, just by providing your Aadhaar, your address proof, your identity proof, by using your fingerprint is it available. Debit card you can use. What type of debit card? Rupee debit card is used. Non KYC account opening is also there. No minimum average balance. Free monthly statement. That means e-statements. Do you know what is e-statement? E-statement means all the transactions, all the debit or credit transactions that you have to see through your e-statement. You can get your mini statement via SMS also. QR code is present to use for the cashless transactions. These types of these are not very required. Just remember, the account that is used for credit of the salary, that salary is credited to this account, that is salary account. This is not very required for your examinations. Okay, so we will end our class here. In next class we will study about the all other things. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.